Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I'm answering your question from Kim David at Project Stella Resources. What are the top 3 things a beginning entrepreneur should invest in to maximize their efforts? Such a good question, and I love this. So, if I were going back to the way beginning, what I would do, highly recommend you invest in is a coach. I cannot stress the importance of having a good coach that's going to be there to guide you no matter what stage of your business you're at. If you're trying to do it all on your own and you don't have that guidance, it's going to take you a million times longer. I was able to grow as quickly as I did in this business because I had a coach. You can't afford not to have a coach if you're going to be in business. It's just, you have to invest in yourself, and you have to invest in something or someone that's going to help you grow. So important. We do private coaching at She's Making an Impact. If you want to apply to see if we'd be a good fit to work together, just go to she'smakinganimpact.com and click on the Work With Me tab. Second thing I would invest in would be personal development. Your business will only grow as much as you grow, and it's really important that you are intentional about growing on a consistent basis. And so that could be reading a good book every single day. I have a whole list of what books you should read on my blog if you want to go check that out. It could be attending live events. It could be listening to a She's Making an Impact podcast, whatever podcast you want to listen to. But you have to make sure that you are investing in your own personal growth. So key. Okay, last thing I would invest in would be a virtual assistant. And it's just because you only have so many hours in the day. And if you're trying to do all these little tasks that anyone could do, you're going to burn out. It's going to take you so much longer to actually see results in your business. So I hired my very first virtual assistant from Upwork.com, $6 an hour, 10 hours a week. Do you know $60 a week, right? So that alone took so much off of my plate to start with, so I could really focus on the things that I do best. And as an entrepreneur, you want to see how you can stay in your zone of genius and doing the things that only you can do, and then see how you can outsource the rest. And I know it's not totally possible when you're just starting and you have this much of a budget, but if you could do 10 hours a week, $6 an hour with somebody, that's going to make a massive, massive impact. So to wrap up, recap, top 3 things you should invest in when you're just starting out: a coach, your own personal growth, and a virtual assistant. So check out the blog, she'smakinganimpact.com. I've got tons of resources to help you crush it, and I'll talk to you later.